Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new journaling day. Today is day 15 and I am creating a currently page to talk about all my favorite things right now. So let's make this page together. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am excited that today it is the halfway point to the 30-day daily journaling challenge. Today it's day 15 and we made it. It has been challenging, but it also has been relaxing and so rewarding to print out those pictures on your phone and create memory spreads on your journal. And so so documenting the journey is definitely fulfilling. Finding the time and space to do that, probably a little bit more challenging, but we made it. So if you are following the challenge and you are documenting, let me know on the comment section. I would love to know if you're journaling maybe once a week, maybe daily like me, and it doesn't have to be a challenging spread. You can just grab a piece of paper, print a picture too, and document the memories. And you don't even probably have to do pictures. Just grab some stickers and just relax. Make a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and enjoy your journaling session. So for this page, I am using a paper collection called Happy Day. It is a collection that I had for some time now, and I am still going through all my leftovers and scraps. I love that this collection has a lot of journaling pages, and it had this currently page. This is what inspired me to do a currently page. And also I went ahead and printed a picture of myself, which is something I usually don't do, but you know, it's good to maybe sometimes document how you look like. Maybe in 10 years you want to see yourself, and so I went ahead and did that. And I am just creating an easy spread. I wanted to do a belly band so that way I can add more things on the back if I want to, but also I wanted to fill up the whole page here, and so just doing a little collage. I am not gluing anything yet because I want to use my sewing machine and add some stitches around to kind of make the page a little bit more interesting. And so for the other side of the page is where I'm adding this currently page that's already from the paper collection. So I love that, and it also has some space in there to do some, to write about what you're into right now. So I am just adding other pieces of paper and kind of creating a collage, but again, not gluing it into the page yet because I do want to do the stitching on the sewing machine for this side as well. But I wanted to kind of just glue everything together and then go and do the sewing machine at the end. So these flowers are really cute, so I'm just fussy cutting around, gluing, collaging these papers. And so I have the collages ready, and with the magic of editing, here are the pages that I already stitched around, and I also did some of the journaling on my currently page, and I'm just writing down what I am loving right now, what I'm watching on the TV, which is the World Cup. Of course, I'm obsessed with that. If you're into soccer, let me know on the comment section. I just really enjoy watching the games and making some popcorn, some chips, setting a snack table and sitting down and watching the games with my girls, especially on the weekends. And so I'm enjoying that. I'm also enjoying some horror books right now. I just finished a few of them and I have some favorites. And also, by the way, if you're into reading, check out my reading channel. I recently opened a channel just about books and reading, which is really fun. It's entertaining. I love to talk about books, so check out my channel. I'll leave the link on the description box if you want to go visit me there. And so now I'm just going to finish up the page by adding some more little stickers here and there. I am backing this journaling card on some black cardstock to make it a little bit thicker, and that is gonna go behind that belly band. And over here again, I'm just talking about what I love right now, which is reading in the patio with the nice summer breeze. I know it's not summer yet, but here in California definitely is summer. So that is gonna be the page for today. I hope you guys enjoy this journaling spread, celebrating today, celebrating what I currently love, and I hope to see you back tomorrow with a new video. Bye.